Assalamu alaikum adab. You are watching Asian Times Meta ATM. Education updates. A meeting was convened under the chairmanship of Mr. Junaid Ahmed, Special Secretary, Schools, to discuss the delimitation of schools in the Karachi region. Key discussion points. Phase 1. Thanks for watching ATM Education Updates. Data will be updated in the SEMI's database according to the physical location of each school. Phase 2. School verification will be conducted. Communication and coordination to be carried out by the Director Primary with the designated focal person from RSU. Verification will include review of SNE, sanctioned new establishment, and other essential attributes of schools. Participants. Mr. Akbar Baramani, Additional Secretary, Secondary. Mr. Aftab Alam, Senior Program Manager, RSU. Mr. Ghazi Khan Mahar, Data Analyst, MNE. Syed Farik Warsi, Deputy Director, Hermis. Mr. Moan, Director Primary, Karachi. Mr. Iqbal Maiman, DEO Malir. MS. Saviba, DEO Primary, Karanji. Other government officials were also in attendance.